Hello everyone, welcome to this brief introduction to Power BI, Microsoft Powerful Business Analytical Tools. So, what is Power BI? Power BI is a suite of business analytics tools that deliver insight throughout your organization. It connects to hundreds of data sources, simplifies data preparation, and drives ad hoc analysis. Key features of Power BI. So first is data visualization. Create interactive reports and dashboards. Second one is data connectivity. Connect to various data sources like Excel, SQL Server and cloud services. Third one is collaboration. Share insight with your team through the Power BI services. Fourth is AI integration. Leverage built-in AI capabilities for deeper insights. How it works. First, connecting, gathering data from multiple sources. Second, transforming, clean and model the data. Third, visualizing, create stunning visuals and reports. Fourth is sharing, publish and share insight with others. Benefits of using Power BI. First, enhanced decision making. Make data driven decisions. Second, time savings. Automate data processing. Third, scalability. Adapt as your data needs grow. Fourth, accessibility. Access reports from anywhere on any devices. Conclusion. Power BI empowers organizations to turn data into actionable insights, fostering a data driven culture. So, start transforming your business with Power BI today. Thank you for watching. To learn more, visit powerbi.microsoft.com and start your journey towards insightful analytics.